America's F-35 and China's J-20 are two of the world's most advanced stealth fighters. But if they ever met in combat, who would win? The F-35 Lightning II was designed for stealth, intelligence gathering, and network warfare. It can share battlefield data with friendly forces in real time. China's J-20 Mighty Dragon is larger and faster. It was built for long-range missions and can carry powerful air-to-air missiles inside its stealthy body. The F-35 has some of the world's most advanced sensors. Many experts believe its situational awareness gives pilots a huge advantage in modern air combat. The J-20, however, has a longer combat radius and can engage targets from greater distances, making it a dangerous opponent in beyond visual range combat. In a close fight, the F-35's electronics could provide the edge. In long-range combat, the J-20's missiles and range may become its biggest weapons. So which fighter would you choose?